When the pandemic struck, the world changed.
Halos 7,000 ang nadagdag sa mga bagong kaso ng COVID-19 sa bansa. Dahil po dyan, 1,094,849 ang kabuang kaso ng COVID-19 sa bansa.
To cope with these challenges, we had to rely more on the internet and technology for our safety and convenience. That is when another thing became a norm. Online shopping. According to the Malaysian-based firm iPrice Group, the total sessions or visits to shopping applications in the Philippines climbed to approximately 4.9 billion during the lockdown period. With consumers resorting more to online shopping amid pandemic restrictions, entrepreneurs have embraced the digital phenomenon for online shopping even more. With this surge in online sales and business activity, the government reminds the consumers of financial cybercrimes and other common scams. To better help the people to know more about online shopping during the pandemic, Nature Spring launched a Facebook Live event called Online Shopping 101 last March 19, 2021. And tapped Alex Gonzaga, a Filipina celebrity, YouTuber, and influencer, to share her own experiences in online shopping, provide tips for a safe and hassle-free online purchasing, and how Nature Spring's own webshop helped her during these trying times.
Makakuha po kayo ng mas mabababang mga discounts, mas mababang presyo dahil syempre you are buying directly sa Nature Spring Company. So thank you so much. Stay safe and please follow the Nature Spring Facebook, social media accounts. Lahat po yan i-follow nyo para kung magkakaroon pa po tayo ng mga bagong pakulo at bagong mga discounts, updated kayo at makakabili kayo kaagad ng inyong tubig.
This campaign has successfully provided tips to better inform the consumers about online shopping. The Online Shopping 101 with Alex Gonzaga video has gained a total of 61,282 views, 9,282 online engagements, and 167,969 reach as of April 2020. Nature Spring will continue to prioritize the convenience and safety of its consumers in order to provide a safer and hassle-free online shopping experience in the country.